Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL WP35 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list of the options we have to scroll down and find the display. Then let's scroll and tap on the screen timeout, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and at the bottom the longest time option, which is 30 minutes or never, which means that your device will not black out automatically. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. I'll choose 10 minutes, and as you can see it is immediately marked. What is more, it is notified right here, and it means that from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.